Hey guys!
Hi.
It is LBS versus Roblox with her friend Sophie. Wait, no, with her friend Charlotte, because it is Charlotte that is speaking right now, otherwise known as Gumdrop. And like LBS versus Roblox is too shy, so that's why she's not speaking. Okay. Anyway, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Sophie's channel.
There's a guy following me.
Today we are playing Roblox as she always does. What is in that thing?
She got in my face.
It's LPS versus Roblox playing at the moment on her account.
Hello. You look pretty. Except your skin is very strange, but I like it. Oh my god, this guy's so cool.
Yeah, I guess.
How dare you be mean? Wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. Someone help me.
It's like in the normal elevator when you like hide in the corner because there's like
Oh,
that huge sharp person.
Are you going to put something on? I don't know what. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Please help. I think I'm gonna die.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, how rude.
Oh, I'm rude.
Yeah, you are rude. You're very rude. Oh, okay. I see Gumdrop on her lovely account in front of me.
With you.
Yeah, with me, I guess. Oh no, don't you?
By the way, watch the video that says on my it's called Gumdrop. Just search up Gumdrop Roblox and it has a picture of a pushing Jigglypuff on it. And watch the video called Roller Coaster Vid with Sophie, who has very long hair. The person in black is Sophie, LBS versus Roblox. And the one in grey is me. Okay. I'll watch it.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, did I survive? Oh no.
Oh my god, you're so cringy. You're swearing.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, because if you do it like that, then it's swearing. But if you do it like that, then it's not swearing.
Was I swearing?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, normally people do it like this.
Really? No, they're just swearing.
So what does this mean then?
I don't know, like I don't know.
Well,
But it's swearing.
We're England.
We're England. Team England. Well, that England is my city.
Oh, she's got the puppy doggy! Let me have that puppy doggy. So good.
Can you buy one?
I don't know. I don't know how many coins I. Oh, okay. That's nice to know.
Okay.
Wait, once I was in here, I died straight
also,
away.
at the end of that round, are we going to swap over?
Yeah.
Although I'm not very used to your computer controls. Disaster Dome.
Wait, I'm scared we're gonna die.
You unlocked the badge rank 2. Well done. Oh, remember this was Lizzie.
Oh yeah.
Where is my God? I can't find him. Everywhere I reminds me. It's a really weird video.
And her belly dancing is.
Wait, no, that was Lizzie belly dance.
I know, but
yeah, I know. She was like, oh god.
I know.
She didn't know it's belly dancing.
I kind of liked it, but I mean, it was kind of scary a little. Like, well, not scary, but I mean, kind of cringy.
Yeah.
Like, I mean,
I'm
not being rude, but
Harry Potter is the best.
Jeez, that was right in my ear.
Oh yeah,
Baconator! Hi, Baconator!
Not him.
You, Lizzie. Oh, that's so close to my head. No!
My goat was.
Go.
I look weird on that.
I died.
You can see my pajamas in the. Okay. You can see my okay. Now it's my go. Okay, you can just watch videos.
Nah.
Pause it. Pause it. Okay, I'm gonna like. Okay. Died.
That's so dramatic. You died. How dare you talking about that?
You have 150 like diamond things, whatever. I've never actually played this game before, so I don't know what it's about.
You just have to survive the disasters.
Picking map. The map is being picked. The map is Aztec ruins. Ruins. Like runes.
Ooh, it's parkour. I'm good at parkour.
I'm not very good. I don't get
I can
these
help
controls.
you. I can help you.
The controls on your computer are really weird. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, but yours are as well.
Wait, no, but I use a mouse and you just use the keyboard.
Okay.
The stupid
I think
keyboard.
you're gonna...
No one likes a keyboard.
I'm pretty sure they do.
Double disaster. Wait. Okay.
Oh. Yep.
I just literally stood still and I'm like, wait, what? Like, why does the one time I play, it has to be a double disaster? Anyway, what are those swinging things?
Some parkour thing.
Oh, okay.
Jump up and stuff.
I'm gonna try and do it. Wait.
Okay. Oh no, my parents are coming. Oh wait, I need to say it.
Oh my god.
Shh, don't make a noise. Okay?
Okay, never mind.
People out there, do not make a noise. Yeah? Okay, my
Oh,
parents
okay.
are right there.
Goodbye, guys.
No, don't leave me!
Wait, no, but we can, like, start it again. Okay.
Oh, yeah, we can.
Goodbye, guys. We're just having a break for now with pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be... Hello, guys. So it
Hi.
seems we have disconnected.
Like ages ago.
Hooray!
But we can still move, apparently.
Yes. Let's just exit that. Where is the mouse? Okay, there it is.
We're back in my homepage. Yes. Shush. Don't ask. We were
Okay.
eating muffins. Woohoo! Eating muffins.
And we are joined by another person. Monkey!
I had him when I was 2, okay? Shush. He's lovely.
Monkey.
He's lovely. I had him when I was 2. He's still my favourite.
Shadowrun, I hate that game.
Well, I've
No
never
offense to
played it.
Shadowrun, like, fans.
Yeah, like no offense. Roll high?
You always play that. You always play that. What's this game? Beauteous Mall.
No, I
Have
don't
you
want to
played that
play it.
game?
Yes, I totally have.
What is it?
A mall where you shop clothes, and I don't.
Is it
play
Roblox? Oh.
Yeah, girl.
Okay, so yeah.
Roll high it is.
No.
Excuse
What's wait? What's a new extreme hair colors have been
31.
added to the?
But it's only like it's in the store, and it's let me just go down 49 Robux.
50. Right, basically, if you just.
Well,
round it.
yeah, true.
Wait. A neon strawberry kiwi. I'm allergic to kiwi, just so you know that. I don't know.
Wait, really? You are?
Yeah, I'm allergic to kiwi.
Oh my god, I never thought you were. I'll put a kiwi in your face now. I would never do that to a friend.
It just like really hurts my tongue.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so strange. Okay, time to play this.
Ooh, welcome to the new Beach Cove obby thing.
Yes, it's Beach Cove. Look, we're going into the game.
Collect diamonds along the castle shore. Okay, then. I haven't played this game in ages, so I do not know the new. What? That's a nice.
I know, but it's sad that
screen.
the lovely love area went.
Oh yeah, why does this what?
Woman, I know I'm the best at this because I am new to it. Oh, I think you messed my screen up. There we go. Fix it. Hello.
Okay.
No, I'm doing it now.
Why?
Because I'm best.
How come you're always Princess Lily when your name is actually Sophie?
Well, I don't know. You've made your
There's
name
a diamond right there.
even strange.
Wait,
'Cause
no,
your
no,
name's
but
actually Charlotte.
Well, yeah, I know, but I always change it. You just like keep it Lily all the time.
Excuse me, but it's the only game.
Just saying.
It's the only thing I can think of. Okay, don't judge me. Princess Lily. How dare she?
Your dog's called Lily.
Yeah, so she's amazing. Scary but amazing.
I don't have a dog, so I don't really know.
No, she's gonna take my diamond! Don't take my diamond!
No, it's still there.
My diamond. No, there's a diamond up there.
Oh. There's a diamond down there.
My diamond! It was amazing. Oh, what's happening to my screen? That's so weird.
I don't know, please can I have a go?
Yes, sure, let me just click that.
Are you gonna actually go to the play Royal High?
Yeah, sure. I'll just get there. Why is my screen so strange?
I don't know.
This is so strange. It's never been like this before.
Don't you say like your computer screen froze sometimes?
Yeah.
Was that on your old one?
Yeah, that was on my old one. This is my new one, but it's just new, so it's kind of
okay.
just getting there-ish.
Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. This is me touching the screen.
It is Charlotte, she is strange, but I like her because she's a good friend. She is annoying, but she has lots of things. Oh no, I don't want to go to PE! I am not doing PE, okay?
Yeah, but you still just
I'm pretty. No, I'm doing that because I want 12.
lovely 12. Oh my god. Wait.
Trust.
Omg, seriously.
I hate PE. Yeah, I do.
I'm just gonna do it for you. This is me
Thank
doing
you.
it. I guess PE is okay. I guess. But not in real life.
Oh god, yeah. Our PE sucks. Like, legit. We haven't had
Not
PE
in
for
real
ages, really.
Did we have it last week and it's Monday right now, so.
Yeah, I guess.
I think we had it on Friday, so it wasn't that long. Seriously, stupid. I'm not very used to your thing.
Do you want me to do that? Oh my god, you're taking so slow!
Sorry!
You me.
Lol, you just died. Well, no, you didn't die. You just fell down.
Excuse me, woman?
And
what
that
did
guy with pink hair. No offense to people with pink hair. I want to dye my.
No!
Lol, that was your fault that time.
I hate PE.
You're loving
This is what
mine,
happens.
Yeah, lol.
Yeah, but
that's
it's
why.
amazing.
Yeah, but PE in real life is a lot easier, although we still hate it because we have to go out in the cold. In England.
Yeah.
In winter. With just our jumpers on. And it is absolutely freezing.
It sucks.
But then I always lend you my hoodie. Because I'm nice. Remember
Yeah,
that
she's
time
a really
in
nice.
PE?
Oh yeah, when that
Yeah,
guy
but-
said, "How
I
to fight for that girl with the blue hoodie." He was really cold, so I gave her a little.
And then he gave you a house
Yeah,
point.
just for doing nothing.
Just for being cold.
Yeah.
You remember you need to click the bell? Yeah. Last time I forgot to click the bell. So then I got an F and I was like, what the? How come I have an F?
I know. I wonder if I got a B or something.
Wait.
I'm
I'm just going to say I hate you people.
No! I do not hate people.
Yeah, I know. But I am amazing.
Oh, what do you?
You
hi,
Lily.
Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi. Wait, she said Lily wrong. It's one L. It's Lily, not Lily. Hermione, I'm talking about. Hello.
Honestly. Ron.
Yes, we're running.
Honestly, Ron. When I honestly, I was like, honestly, can't you get my name?
So's Lily. She put my name Lily with 2 L's again. Can't you get my name right? It's Lily.
Yeah, but chemistry.
I don't want to go to chemistry. You're doing chemistry for me. No.
It won't tap.
You're gonna, yay, miss class. Damn it. Okay, I went to class.
You just went to class, even though you were the one. Okay. I'm just gonna stay in the water.
Yes, please do.
Random green water. Yay. Wait, how do you switch it to
poisonous?
Oh, that's nice. Can I tap it? Is this on iPad mode? Yes.
No, this is
Okay.
on iPad mode, but I guess I can say yes. Yeah, sorry if we can hear people in the background. It's just people who are weird.
Don't need to be picky, Lily.
Oh God! You wanna play? You wanna play?
I'm just gonna type it.
You wanna
Okay.
play? Excuse me, I will fight you after school.
I don't know if I'm colorblind. I might be, but I'm probably not.
You're gonna kill me. Oh, there you go.
Excuse
Girl, where
me?
are you? We late.
Excuse me?
You don't need to be picky, Lily. She got it wrong again. It's only 1 L. What the hell? I feel like I'm gonna die.
Okay.